Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone is fine and safe at home. So today we are going to learn about vowels. Do you know how many vowels do we have? We have got 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And you know what? These vowels have different kind of sound. Among those sound we have got short vowel sound. The sounds which are pronounced in the short form. The word or the sound which is pronounced the half of its sound is called short vowel sound. Particularly, we are going to discuss the sound of this letter. The name of this letter is I, and the sound or the pronunciation of I is E. So the word which has got the sound of E and having the letter I is called short vowel sound. The short I sound is what you hear in this word. See? For example, F-I-N, fin, L-I-P, lip, etc. Fin. How are we pronouncing I in it? E. Like E. Fin. If I talk about lip, how are we pronouncing I in this word? Like E. So there are so many other words which has got the sound of E and having a letter I, having the short vowel sound. Let's see the examples. Can you all guess the word? What do we call it? It's a bin. B-I-N, and it has a sound of I which is E. Bin. Again the short vowel sound. Yes, it's a dry fruit. It's healthy for you and yummy too. We call it fig. F-I-G. Fig. So we have got a letter I in it and it has a sound of E. Short vowel sound. Fig. It's an ink. It has got a short vowel sound as well. I, which is pronounced as E. Ink. The last but not least, what is it? It's a pen. And it has a short vowel sound which is I. And it is pronounced as E again. Thank you everyone.